Hindi ka na babiyahin na malayo para sa office. 15 minutes na sa bahay ka na. The reason why virtual office providers like us exist in the cities is because it's very helpful talaga para sa mga private person. For example, ayaw mo ng may LGU or government agency na kumakatok sa bahay mo tapos nakikita yung inside of your house. Kasi when they do the inspections, if you apply for a business permit, they will see the house. They will see the inside. And if you're a private person, isa rin yun, consider baka hindi ka comfortable doon. So maybe choose some virtual office provider near your house. Akala nila counterintuitive yun, pero totoo lang, may advantage yun. For example, tinawagan ko ng client, literally, pwede mo sabihin, I can meet you in my office in 15 minutes. Drive ko lang to madami kaming ganyan din. Taga dito, sa Don Antonio. So, sa Don Antonio sila, may client sila, tawagan kami, I have a client coming in 15 minutes, please prepare the meeting room. 2 oras sila mag-meet, okay na, uwi na sila ulit. Hindi ka na babiyahin na malayo para sa office, 15 minutes na sa bahay ka na. So again, I'm Izzy of Free Monday. If you want to learn more, please send us a message. Bye!